Welcome to the Client Experience Center for CIS, Cloud Infrastructure and Security Services.
Basically, this center we are inaugurating for enhancing our practices related to cloud infrastructure and security. And this will help our clients to the next levels by optimizing the cost. Secondly, enhancing their technology portfolio.
This is really a bet on what we can do.
This is open for all our customers, partners and vendors to showcase our robust cloud architecture and robust secure strategies which can actually drive and accelerate the business outcomes.